If you sell on Amazon, you already know how much time product research can take. Jumping between tabs, analyzing data, and trying to find profitable product can easily eat up your whole of the day. But what if you could get all that research done instantly right inside your browser? That's where the SmartScout Chrome extension comes in. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will see how this tool can help you to find winning product faster than ever. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make business tools simple and help you to save time while growing smarter. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for the link and the free trials so you can test SmartScout yourself. So what exactly is the SmartScout Chrome extension? It's a powerful browser tool that connects directly to your Amazon browsing experience. As soon as you open a product page, SmartScout instantly shows you all the data you need, like estimated sales, revenue, the competition level, category insights, and even seller details. So no more switching between multiple tabs or spreadsheet to get the full picture. Just imagine scrolling through the Amazon and seeing product idea come alive with the real data. You can instantly know whether a product is worth to selling or not. It gives you the confidence to make quick, smart decision, which is something every Amazon seller needs, especially in this time when competition is very high than ever. One of the best part about this extension is how smooth and fast it is. The data loads instantly without slowing down your browser, and the interface is beginner friendly. Even if you are new to Amazon FBA, you can understand the numbers easily, and things like average revenues, reviews, and BSR trend are displayed clearly right where you need them. Another big advantage is how well it connects with full of the SmartScout web app. If you are already using SmartScout for deeper research or product tracking, the Chrome extension just makes everything faster. You can go from browsing to analyzing to adding a product to your list in 1 second. And this saves you hours of every week and help you to stay ahead of trends before others even notice them. Whether you are researching new product, tracking the competitors, or verifying a niche, this tool keeps all your data right in front of you. So in short, SmartScout Chrome extension is perfect for anyone who wants to research smarter, move faster, and make database decision without wasting time. So if you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description below for free trial and get started by researching product instantly. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share this video with other sellers, and don't forget to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more tools and tutorial to grow your business. Now thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.